So we're here at Steiner Street in San Francisco, and we can ask the question now, does anybody know where we are? And the answer to that question is we are outside the Mrs. Doubtfire House. So that was a famous movie from years back, and we are here now outside the house, and we are going to go check it out for you and just see what we can actually see. So there used to be all writing on this tree trunk here, but obviously now somebody's grown a plant all the way around it, but you still can see some of it there in the tree. And there is the house where Mrs. Doubtfire lived. Amazing. Just check that out. So that was in the movie. Mrs. Doubtfire. And that's another movie I really do need to watch again. And what an absolutely beautiful, spectacular house that that actually is. It's amazing. There's all writing on this post here as well. We've got some lovely roses outside the house there. But let's just check the house out again. And like I say, it looks absolutely amazing. We've crossed over the road now, and we're having another really good look. And what I can remember from the film as well, when Mrs. Doubtfire got off the bus down there, she was walking up all these steep hills, probably where them people are crossing over now, and going to this house here on the corner.
Here's Waymo.
Absolutely amazing. And we've got a Waymo going across there as well. That was really good for you to show you that. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll head back to our car and go to the next place. And there's the car.